Hi, DuEwa here, and I'm back with a new kitchen vlog. And today I made rotini pasta garlic Alfredo with salmon, mushrooms, and broccoli. I sauteed mushrooms, onion, garlic, parsley. I then, before that, I was cooking the pasta al dente, not too soft. Then I went on ahead and added my baked salmon, which I already made, and put that to the side. I added the broccoli. Then I went ahead and added the sauce. If you want to make your own sauce, you can make it plant-based. Or you can use heavy cream and various ingredients, or you can get a store-bought. There's a number of ways that you can make your Alfredo. The main ingredient for me is definitely the garlic and the parsley and just putting all the herbs together. And this is an alternative to having a marinara sauce with your pasta. So as you can see, I'm really kind of mixing the salmon in. I already chopped it up along with the garlic and herbs and everything. Mixed in the broccoli. I probably used maybe a cup of broccoli, so not a whole lot. But as you can see, it really makes quite a bit of sauce here. Then I'm going to go ahead and check on my pasta and kind of work the pasta in, adding some Parmesan cheese. Again, if you want, you can make this totally dairy-free, and this can be a plant-based Alfredo, or it can have dairy. It's really to your liking. So going to go ahead and add in the rotini pasta. Any kind of pasta you want to use would be great. And this is how it turned out. If you want to plate this and serve with a side salad or even some asparagus or any other greens, that would be great. Thanks for checking out my vlog. Bon appetit.